day to all employers out there. I'm Marisa Pipabito, 43 years old, from Philippines. I'm separated and I have one daughter, she's 17 years old. I'm currently working here in Malaysia as domestic helper or nanny and finish contract this coming December 14. I serve 6 Malaysian Chinese family members, 4 adults and 2 kids. Their ages are 92, 90, 48, 44, 7 and 5-year-old kid. I do household chores like ironing, cooking, washing the dishes, washing the dirty clothes, cleaning and mopping the floor. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the 2 kids, help and prepare them with their needs, help them with their homework, teach them how to read and write, and most especially teach them how to be good and responsible kid. I also help the other nanny to take care of grandma and grandpa. I also had work experience abroad in Oman for 2 years and Saudi Arabia for 2 years as domestic helper or nanny. I'm a jolly and happy person and a long patience too when it comes to work and kids since I worked in a toy store for 12 years since back when I'm in Philippines. I can cook Arabian and Chinese dishes and I'm willing to learn more about it when it comes to cooking since I want to know more about Chinese dishes. Thanks and God bless you all. Looking forward to work with you. God bless you all. Thank you.